Panoorin mo ito bago ka mag-decide magpagawa ng prosthetic leg. Here's the 5 important things you should know before getting a prosthetic leg. Number 1, stump shrinkage is inevitable. Your stump or residual limb, natural na nagbabago over time. Hindi ito napapansin agad. Pero habang ginagamit mo ang prosthetic leg mo, unti-unting lumiliit ang stump. Bakit nangyayari ito? Nabawasan ng water retention at nag-a-adapt ang muscles at soft tissues. Normal siya sa journey ng isang amputee. Number 2, may adjustment period ang pagkakaroon or pagpapalit ng bagong prosthetic leg. Kapag bagong prosthetic leg user ka o kakapalit mo lang ng bagong prosthetic leg, may tinatawag tayong adjustment period. Usually, this lasts around 1 to 4 weeks. Depende sa learning curve and body condition ng patient. Sa stage na ito, hindi pa sanay ang katawan mo, hindi pa familiar ang muscles mo, at hindi pa fully adapted ang balance at coordination mo. Kailangan mo pa mag-adjust sa bawat step. Pero importanteng tandaan, adjustment period is not suffering period. Because during this phase dapat, gradual ang paggamit. Huwag biglayin. May proper guidance sa paglalakad. Minomonitor ang fit at alignment with the proper gait training habang nag-a-adjust ang stump o residual limb mo sa prosthetic leg, nagiging natural ang lakad mo. So if you're currently in your adjustment phase, listen to your body and focus on your balance. Don't rush. Imagine this. From every step with crutches to every step na may confidence. Number 3, mahalaga ang body conditioning at rehabilitation para sa mabilis na recovery and adjustment period. Kasi kahit gaano kaganda ang prosthetic leg mo, kung hindi ready ang katawan mo, mahihirapan ka pa rin mag-adjust. During the adjustment period, your body is relearning on your balance, muscle control, proper walking pattern, weight distribution. When you focus on body conditioning and rehab, lumalakas ang muscles, gumaganda ang balance, mas nagiging natural ang lakad, mas mabilis ang recovery. Because the truth is, hindi lang prosthetic leg ang nagpapalakad sa'yo. Katawan mo pa rin. So if you really want to walk better, don't just rely on the device. Train your body and guide your movement. Number 4, mahalaga sa assessment or consultation na ibigay ang totoo at tamang information ng patient upang mai-recommend ang tamang prosthetic leg. Dahil dito namin binabayse kung anong klaseng prosthetic leg ang bagay sa'yo, anong components ang kailangan mo, anong level ng activity ang kaya mong ma-achieve, at paano ka ulit makakabalik sa normal mong buhay. Tandaan mo, hindi ito tungkol sa pagiging okay lang. Ito ay tungkol sa tamang solusyon para mas accurate ang assessment, mas precise ang fitting, mas comfortable ang magiging prosthetic leg, mas magiging successful ang recovery mo. Kasi ang goal namin, ikaw ay makabalik sa normal, makalakad ng walang pain at may confidence. Number 5, and most importantly, your prosthetic leg should be lightweight para hindi ka madaling mapagod, durable para kayanin ang everyday use mo, best fit para secure, comfortable at stable. Pero higit sa lahat, dapat nakabase ito sa daily activities mo, lifestyle, hobbies, work, business, travel, active life, body condition, strength, balance, recovery stage. Ang goal ay magkaroon ng prosthetic leg na kaya kang sabayan sa lifestyle mo. So, don't settle for pwede na. Choose what's right for you. Let's match your prosthetic leg to your lifestyle. So before you decide, ask yourself, gusto ko lang ba makalakad? Or gusto ko makalakad ng maayos? Message us for proper assessment. Start your journey the right way. Tatak Orthoworks PH, Lakad Orthoworks PH.